Hello and welcome. To merge videos on Mac, first put all your videos in a folder, then name them numerically in the order that you want them to appear in your merged video. Now right click on the first one, choose Open With, and then select QuickTime Player. Once your video is open, click Edit in the menu bar and choose Add Clip to End. On the window that appears, locate your video folder and select the rest of your videos. Click Choose Media. You should now have all your videos sorted on the timeline. However, you can always change the order by moving videos one by one. Play to make sure it looks good. Once satisfied, click Done. Now click File in the menu bar, choose Export As, and then select the highest resolution available. Give your video a name, choose a location, select the format, and click Save. You can now close the window. We have already exported the merged video, so you don't need to save it again. Please like if this video helped you, dislike if it didn't, subscribe for more tutorials and tips, comment to ask questions or to give feedback. Thank you.